So if you haven't already, now is a perfect time to go ahead and find that comfortable space. And then as you feel ready, you can gently close your eyes, letting your awareness drift inside. Coming into your inner world, your inner space. And allowing yourself to be present, just right here, with your body. And then gently begin deepening your breath. Allowing each inhale and exhale to be a little softer and a little slower than the way you normally breathe. Maybe your mind feels a little busy, and that's okay. Just trust that whatever is active or arising is just pointing to places in your life that are really calling for your attention lately. And as you breathe a little deeper, continuously call your awareness back to your breath. And invite those thoughts to float away like the wind. Telling yourself that this moment is for you. And as you breathe a little deeper and a little slower, just take a moment to notice how you're feeling. Whatever emotions are present in your body. And allow yourself to breathe into these places, helping to soften any tension. Inviting the breath to help release any resistance. And really allowing the breath to relax you. And then with the next breath in, begin calling your awareness and your focus of attention into that sacred space in the center of your chest, where your heart resides. Still allowing your breath to be deep and slow. And feeling the expansion of your heart. With each breath into the heart, feeling the energy of the heart grow. And allowing the love of the heart to arise from within. You need not do anything other than hold the intention to allow it to arise. As you breathe deeply and slowly, allow your heart to bring this energy forward. And allow yourself to truly feel the love of your heart. The love that you really are. And if your mind tries to carry you away, simply come back to the breath. Bring that focus of attention back to the heart. Maybe even feeling the gentle beating of your heart in your chest. Allowing yourself to feel the love as it arises from within. With each breath, inviting yourself to drop more fully into your heart. To be present with the love that you are. And for a moment, with the focus in the heart, simply allow yourself to see yourself fully healed, fully whole in the energy of love. Witness and observe as this love has nourished all the cells and particles that make up the beautiful being that is you. And allow yourself to really feel what this would feel like. And trust that this vision is who you already are. It's who you truly are. Allow yourself to embrace this. And then gather up as much love of your heart as you can. And bring it with you as you gently begin calling your awareness back to the room or physical space that holds you. You can bring gentle movements to the fingers or toes. Let your body move in whatever way it's called to move. Holding this love in your heart. Holding the truth of who you are. And when you're ready, you can gently blink your eyes open, returning your awareness to this new moment in precious present time.